Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica and I'm so glad that you are here for today's video because it is time for another small business vlog. Alright you guys, so first and foremost, we have to start by cleaning up my craft room because although it looks nice and clean and organized behind my desk where I'm filming, that's because this is where I do the majority of my videos, so it stays a little bit picked up over here because this is the side that's on the camera. Over the past few weeks, I have not been cleaning my craft room at all after crafts, and I gotta show you the mess behind the camera now. All right guys, so this is behind the camera, like just past my desk. This is just what happens when you do a bunch of crafts and projects and you don't clean afterwards. But again, this side of the room is clean because I film right here. So at least I don't have to do my desk area. I just have to do literally every square inch past the desk. Anyway, so that's what we are going to be starting with today because obviously I cannot get anything done in here until this room gets picked up. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I finally finished cleaning the craft room. It's back to normal, nice and clean and organized. Okay, so now we are going to restock my freshie starter kit shelves, and then once that's done, we can go ahead and package up some orders that need to go out to the post office today. Alright guys, so my freshie starter kit shelves are restocked except for the boxes, which I need to make some more. And what I mean by that is those boxes right there are those same boxes. I just have to like fold them and put them together, which we are going to do, but I want to go ahead and package up those couple orders that I have so that we can condense these boxes down and then restock that whole shelf with boxes. I also need to order some more fragrance oil. I do have more bottles to restock once I do get the fragrance oil in, but I do need to order some of that because as you can see, there are several that are pretty low. But now let's go ahead and package up those orders that I have. Okay, so I have 2 freshie starter kit orders So I need 2 boxes. So Mandy ordered a pink sugar with a flower and butterfly kit. And then Mercedes ordered Love Spell with a flower and butterfly kit as well. And then they're each going to need a mason jar. And they'll both need some aroma beads. And then I have 2 random freshie orders to complete. So Christopher ordered a fish car freshie. And then Karen ordered some stickers and 2 Highland cow freshies. Okay, so now I just need to print off the shipping labels and we can head to the post office to drop these off. All right, guys, now we're gonna head to the post office so that we can drop off our packages. All right, guys, so now that we're back home, we are gonna go ahead and assemble some more boxes. But before we can do that, I need to print out some more labels that are gonna go on those boxes. These little labels gotta go on the boxes. So I need to print out some more of these because I'm all out. So I'm gonna print off a stack of these because these are going to go on the inside of the boxes that we assemble. All right, now that I got all these labels, now we can start assembling some boxes. We're also going to need some tissue paper and this little thank you note that is also the directions on the other side. I have to put these in the boxes as well, so we will stick these in there as we assemble them. Alright guys, now my shelves are restocked and ready for more orders. So now we are going to go across the hall and get some computer work done. Alright guys, so now we're going to take about 10 to 15 minutes to reply to some comments on my YouTube channel. This is the YouTube studio and I'm in my comment section and I've filtered all the comments that I haven't responded to yet. So I love that I can do that on here. It makes it really easy for me to reply to comments. So every time I get on the computer and do any computer work, I try to spend at least 10 to 15 minutes replying to comments. But just know there's no way I could get to everyone unless I sat here for days on end replying. Like, I'm just going to scroll for a second. Again, these are all comments I haven't replied to. They're just never ending, you guys. I get so many comments a day. It is just really hard for me to keep up with them. So just know if you've left a comment and I haven't replied to you, I promise I'm not ignoring you. Again, it's just really hard for me to keep up with the amount of comments that I do get. Alright guys, that is where I'm going to leave you guys today. I hope you enjoyed today's small business vlog. If you did like it, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop a comment down below. I would love to hear what you guys think. And if you're watching this video and you're not already subscribed to my channel, then make sure you click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my future videos. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.